Let's begin today's lesson, The Secret Garden, Vocabulary and Story Elements, Chapter 4. Our first vocabulary term today is gloomy. Mary's rooms were dark and gloomy. Gloomy means dull and dark. Is gloomy bright? Yes or no? No. Gloomy means dull and dark. Our next term is spoiled. Cullen and Mary were both spoiled little children. Spoiled means to become rotten from being allowed to have one's way too often. Does spoiled mean rotten? Yes or no? Yes, spoiled means to become rotten from being allowed to have one's way too often. Let's begin with today's chapter, Chapter 4. Mary's room was large and gloomy. Martha, the maid, came in and tried to be friendly, but Mary was in a foul mood. Martha ignored her and talked about her family, especially her youngest brother Dixon. She also told her that one of the gardens had been locked since Lord Craven's wife died 10 years ago, with its key buried in the ground. Martha told Mary about a secret garden. Was Martha the name of the maid who came to help Mary unpack? Yes or no? Yes. Martha was the name of the maid who came to help Mary unpack. Let's continue with our story. Martha made Mary go outside. Mary walked along the paths by the gardens and met Ben Witherstaff, an old gardener. He did not talk very much, but both of them saw a robin. Ben told her it was his only friend. Then he shooed Mary away. He thought Mary was rude and spoiled. Mary looked for the mysterious secret garden, but did not find it. Martha told Mary about a secret garden. Did Martha tell Mary about a secret tree house? Yes or no? No. Martha told Mary about a secret garden. Let's continue with our story elements. Can you name one of the characters? Yes, Mary was one of the characters in this chapter. Can you name another character? Yes, Martha was another character in this chapter. Can you name another character? Yes, Dixon was another character in this chapter. Dixon was Martha's brother. Can you name our last character in this chapter? Yes, Ben was our last character in this chapter. He was the gardener. Let's continue with our setting. Setting is where the story takes place. Do you know where the story took place? Yes, the story takes place in the manor in England. Now let's see if we know what our problem is. A problem is something we're trying to solve. Do you know the problem of the story? Yes, Martha told Mary about a secret garden. Now we need our solution. The solution is how we solve the problem. Do you know the solution of the chapter? Yes, Mary looked for the secret garden. That's all for today's chapter story. Make sure to do your exit ticket at the end of this lesson. Till tomorrow. Bye.